ReAgent recently installed a new automated filling line, which allows us to pack over 100,000 litres of product per day. Our automated filling line connects directly to IBCs and bulk tanks, making it ideal for high-volume runs. It begins with an in-feed table, supplying bottles continuously to a 4-head filling system. Each head uses diving nozzles to deliver bottom-up fills, minimising foam and spillages. After filling, caps are applied and tightened automatically. Every cap is torque checked in real time with a torque range between 1 and 14 Newton meters for a consistent, secure seal. An optional induction heat seal adds an extra layer of protection. It uses electromagnetic induction to weld a foil over the bottleneck without contact or open flame. An inkjet coder marks each product with up to 6 lines of text, barcodes, or a combination of both. Our labeler handles a wide range of formats, front and back labels, wraparound and trigger sprays at over 30 bottles per minute. Once labelled, bottles are boxed, sealed and palletised with full batch traceability. We can handle both cylindrical and square containers from 500 millilitres up to 5 litre bottles. This line can fill up to 1,440 litres per hour for 1 litre fills and up to 4,800 litres per hour for 5 litre fills. That's over 115,000 litres a day on a 24-hour, 5 litre run. All metal wetted parts are made of stainless steel, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of aqueous blends. The line is designed for efficient product changeovers with easy clean components and optional inline filters to minimise downtime between batches. Quick adjustments allow us to switch between container types with minimal downtime, making the line suitable for varied production runs. All processes on this line are governed by our ISO 9001 certified quality management system. We also hold ISO 14001 and ISO 45001 certifications, ensuring high standards of environmental and occupational safety compliance. Whether you're an SME scaling up or a multinational with complex specifications, our automated filling line ensures your products are filled, sealed and packaged to the highest standards. Contact us today to discuss your requirements.